Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official. And as you can see, I have this box of Shokz OpenRun Pro with me. And by the way, I have been using this device since around 1 month. And in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this device. And interestingly, I had purchased this device at a time when Shokz was about to release their new OpenFit headphones. So in this video, you're going to get all the answers. Why I purchased this over the OpenFit, should you go with this, or should you purchase the newer OpenFit ones, or are you better off without this? So let's start with this video. And before starting, the intro first. So here is this device with me, that is the Shokz OpenRun Pro, and on this device you can see the bone conducting sports headphone is written, and apart from that we get a 2 years warranty on it. And this is made in China, and this is not an Indian product, by the way, and this is extremely expensive as well. So let's start with the unboxing. So once I peel this off, you will see a premium looking black colored box. And why is this stuck? I don't know. Okay, so this is out. So let me open this. Yes, so once I open this box, you can see it gives the premium look, and here we have a case which is very sturdy and heavy, and the headphones are also inside this case. So first let me keep this over here and let me show you other things. So inside this box you are going to get a proprietary charging cable which looks like this, and see, this has a type A port on one side and Shokz own proprietary port on the other end. So earlier Shokz used to provide us with two cables, but now as I can see with this packet over here, I got only one of these. So I don't know why Shokz is doing this kind of cost cutting, because if at all, if you manage to lose this cable, then it would be very difficult for you to get another one. So that was one thing. Then we had this packet in which the cable came. Let's remove it, and then we have the warranty card with us which provides a 2 year warranty. And if I open this flap over here, then you can see here I have the user manual which is pretty big, and so we have the user guide and other manuals over here. Okay, so let me keep this aside. Let's keep this box aside as well, and let's come back to our main thing, that is this case. So first of all, this case comes with the Shokz branding, and it is very premium looking. We have a flap over here. You can hang your key rings over here, or a string you can attach it to it and hang it. Then we have this chain, and by the way, this is a sturdy case, so this is not flexible. Sturdy. Okay, so I'll simply open this, and here you can see we have a flap over here as well, which is for the wire. So I can just wind this wire and keep it inside this flap. Okay, and here we have the headphones itself. So I took it in black color. It comes in white, orange, and blue as well as I remember. And the orange one is a bit pinkish. Okay, so that is all. So here, see, this is IP55 rated Bluetooth bone conducting headphones. Okay, so these are not normal ones, these are bone conducting headphones. And let's have a physical overview. So this entire thing is very soft and very flexible as well. See, nothing happens. I can just twist it in any way and it will again come back to its original form. Okay, then we have this Shokz branding on both the sides, and a LED light is over here. So if I press this power button, so you can see this LED light will turn on. Okay, this has only two lights, that is red and blue. Okay, and once you turn this on, this will tell you the battery percentage and the, like, it's switched on or switched off. Okay, so if I move it to the bottom, you can see we have two buttons. This first one has a plus sign and a power sign as well. So this is the power button. If I hold and if I press it once, then this will increase the volume or decrease the volume. Okay, the other one is for decreasing the volume. Then at the front, I have another button over here. Okay, so if I can press this is to play and pause music. So that is the physical overview, and here we have the charging port, and this is magnetic. So you can just, if you simply bring this charger close to this port, let's say like this, yeah, in this form, so see, it will just stick. It's magnetic in nature. Okay, so that is the proprietary charging port, and this is IP55 rated for splash and dust resistant. And by the way, this comes in two variants. This is the standard one, and one you also get the smaller one as well if you have a smaller head base. Okay, so let me show this. So if I wear it like this is how we wear it. Okay, so I can wear it with my specs as well, no problem with that. And these two sit over here beneath my ears. You can see beneath my ears on my cheekbones. Okay, so my ears are open with this, and this directly conducts the voice to my cheekbones, which then go inside the ear, bypassing the eardrum. So if in case you have, like, if you have ruptured your eardrum or if you have ear problems, then this is a boon for you, because with a ruptured eardrum also you can very well hear everything clearly with these headphones. So let me put it off, and here you can see we have these speakers. So here one at the front, one at the bottom. Okay, and that is on the both ends. Okay, so two at each end, two front and two bottom. Okay, and then we have an excellent pair of noise cancelling mic on this. Okay, so you can see the mic ports that are over here. So that was pretty much it about the unboxing and the review. So let's move to the questions now. So that was all about the unboxing and review. So now let's move at the pros and cons. So here I have a list of pros and cons on my laptop, and let me tell you them one by one. So first of all is the comfort. So these are pretty comfortable because they do not go inside your ears. Okay, so your ears remain free. So if I wear it again, so they are on my ear but not inside it. So I can wear it for long hours. And there is just one con with the comfort part, is that I cannot lay down while wearing this, because you can see this band goes all through the back of my head. So if I try to lay them down, then this will become a bit uncomfortable because this band will press against you. Okay, so I cannot lay down or I cannot sleep with while wearing these. Okay, then the second thing is sound quality. So this is a hit and a miss. Okay, so it depends on what you are using this for. So for sports, as you can see, these are meant for sports. So this is excellent. Okay, but this is not for listening to music. This is not for studio quality, like hearing to music or recording. Okay, so this is if you want to listen to podcasts, or if you are working and you want to like use this for Zoom calls or Teams meetings, etc., then these are perfect for them, but not that great for songs. But yes, vocals, podcast, it will do the job. And that is just because of its technology, that it is what to say, bone conduction thing. So since it does not go into your ears, so your ears are free, and that's why the background noise always enters your ear. Okay, so background noise cancelling is zero in this, because these are simply not inside your ears. Okay, so that was about the sound quality. Then next up I have the battery life. So this gives us approximately 10 hours of battery life, okay, on a single charge, which is more than enough for any day. So for an entire day I can use it, or sometimes for 2 days as well without charging it. Then it comes the water resistance. It is, as I told you, IP55 rated. So water, I won't say water, IP55 rated. So it is splash and dust resistant. Okay, then it has an excellent pair of noise cancelling mics. Okay, these are not noise cancelling headphones or earphones, but it has noise cancelling mics, which does an excellent job while you're on calls. Then one thing that I forgot to mention was the Shokz app. So it also comes with an app that you can download on Android or iOS, but unfortunately that app was not readily available on the Play Store in my region. So that is limited to some regions only. But still you can download it from third-party installers. And once you have that app, you will be able to get it. Sorry. So once you have that app, you would be able to use the multi-point pairing as well. So I didn't mention this as well earlier, but this headphone also supports multi-point. So I can connect this with one smartphone, which is over here, that is recording. So I cannot show you multi-point right now, but yes, you can go inside the app and check it. And if you have any queries regarding multi-point, do let me know in the comments. And if you want me to make another video for multi-point, I'm in for that as well. So once you register this on the app, you can connect this to your smartphone and one laptop simultaneously. Okay. But as I can tell you that the multi-point is also a hit and a miss, so not very great, not as great as Sony offers in its headphones, but yes, it is multi-point. So for basics, it is good, but it's not fantastic. Okay. Then one more thing, that you cannot use this for gaming. Okay. So if you are into playing Call of Duty, PUBG, etc., so this is not for you, because while gaming, even I need to use other headphones, because see, what happens with this is that it is very difficult, or should I say it is extremely difficult to basically hear the footsteps when you are like using these headphones. Okay. So that was the other thing. Then there are some of the cons. First of all, or should I say first and the foremost, is the price. These are extremely expensive and their MRP is around 17,000. Okay, but I got it at a huge discount. And if you want these headphones, then I'll link it in the description. You can find the affiliate link and you can use that to get the best price for this. Okay. So it's expensive and so not for everyone. So you can only go with this if you can really afford these. Okay. Else I won't recommend these, because yes, they are too expensive. Then the second thing is sound leakage. And yes, that is a problem. So at high volumes, you can hear the sound coming out of these headphones. Okay. So it has a problem of sound leakage as well. And as I told you, it is not very good at blocking sounds, because it is not going directly inside your ears. And if you're using this at high volumes, you can feel a bit of tickling on your cheeks, because since these has like very strong vibrations at high volumes, not at mid and low volumes. Okay, so it is extremely fine and very comfortable at until medium volumes. But if I go very high, then yes, it will start tickling over here on my cheeks due to the vibrations. Okay, so that is all. And the final point is, overall, the Shokz OpenRun Pro are a great option for people who want comfortable, versatile pair of bone conducting headphones with good sound quality. They are perfect for running, hiking, biking, or any other activity where you want to stay aware of your surroundings. Okay, so that was the complete review, and now it's time for some questions that I have prepared. Okay, so let me first get this off and keep it somewhere. So the first question is, why did I purchase this and why not any other headphone? So see, for me, I have some problem with my ear, in which what happens is that in every year or two, I need to go and get my ears cleaned up, because there is excessive buildup of wax inside my ears. And my ear wax is aggravated if I put on some headphones or earphones which go inside my ears for long hours. But as you know, as we have all work and I need to have headphones, so this was the best alternative that I was getting at that time. That is the bone conduction ones, because these do not go inside my ears and hence does not interfere with the earwax and my ear canal. So that was the primary reason for going with these. Then the second question, why I went with the OpenRun Pro. We also have the option of OpenRun, or should I say OpenMove, which it was earlier called. So OpenMove, OpenRun Pro, and the latest one, that is what was the name? I just forgot. OpenFit. Yes, the latest one is OpenFit. So see, why not OpenRun? Because see, this OpenRun Pro comes with the latest generation of bone conducting technology, and the OpenRun, or the OpenMove as we call it, as the previous generation. So this is a bit better than that. And the second thing is its noise cancelling mics. So I needed a very good noise cancelling mic. So this, because OpenMove also has mics, but they are not as great as these. So that's about OpenMove. And then why not OpenFit? So see, OpenFit is like entirely different from this OpenRun Pro. First of all, it is a kind of a TWS format. It comes in the TWS format. Okay, that is, they are two separate pieces which we put each one on one ear. So I am a bit skeptical now after using the Realme Buds Q2 Pro with the TWS technology, because see, it's very great at home, but not when you are outside, because I have a habit of like dropping them off sometimes. So yes, I had almost once lost my right side, if I remember, no, the left side of the Realme's Q2 Pro. Okay, so I just don't want another TWS with me. So that was one reason. And the second is that the OpenFit that comes with the another technology, that is, this has the bone conduction, whereas that has air conduction. So that does not conduct sound directly through your cheekbones, but it relies outside your ears, partially inside, partially outside, and it uses air conduction technology. So yeah, I find bone conduction better because it is completely off my ears. And the other thing is that air conduction has a lot more sound leakage as compared to bone conduction. And the final thing for that was the price. So I was, at the time of purchasing, I was getting this at an extremely discounted price, and I didn't want to miss the offer. And the OpenFit, as per the OpenFit that was about to be launched, so I was not aware of the price at that time, and I simply didn't want to miss this offer. So yeah, this earphones. And the final leading question for today, or the burning question for today, that should you purchase this, yes or no? So my straight away answer is it depends. So if you can afford this and if you find this necessary for you, only then you should purchase. But yeah, not for everyone. I purchased this, as I told you, for my ears, and also I was able to make a couple of YouTube videos. This is the first one, and I may make 1 or 2 videos further with these earphones. So this is content for me. Okay, so I purchased this. And yes, one more thing, disclaimer, that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this paying the exact amount. Okay, so I have not been sponsored by Shokz. So if you want this, then yes, you can go with this OpenRun Pro if you want the better sound quality and noise cancelling mics. If you are okay with like normal mics or less noise cancelling mics, then yes, the OpenFit is a better option because it is significantly cheaper. It is at around half the price of OpenRun Pro. And if you want a TWS styled earphones, then we have OpenFit also. And sorry, I was telling about OpenMove. So if you want bone conduction, and if you do not want, or if you're okay with less noise cancellation mics, then yes, OpenMove is better. Okay. Then we have OpenFit, and you should go with them because they are affordable. And if you like TWS styled headphones, and if you're not much into bone conduction, because that is entirely different thing. So I won't say much about that because I haven't used it personally. So basically that was it from my side for this video. And if you have any doubts, any queries whatsoever, you can simply post them in the comments below. And if you want to purchase this or the OpenFit or the other OpenRun headphones, then please check out the description. I have the Best Buy links over there from Amazon. And if you purchase from there, I'll get a bit of affiliate commission, and it won't cost you anything extra. And finally, you can also post your queries on my Gmail handle, that is byteofficial.india@gmail.com. You can find it over here on the screen and in the description as well. And so that was pretty much it. And if you found this video useful, do like this video and share it with your friends. And if you want more such informative videos, then do subscribe to my channel. It will surely benefit me and make me happy. So bye bye.